Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Umkhonto. For all of you who don't know, I know guys, I know I've vanished for the past 3 months. Well, it's not entirely my fault. YouTube demonetized this channel in February because of the reuse content policy. Remember in December, MK Party was the thing. It was the topic. Everybody was posting about MK Party. And then YouTube was like, no ma'am, no, you can't be reposting all these videos of the MK Party on your monetized channel. So yeah, that's why this channel was suspended for 3 months and it was not monetized. So the suspension is over, and oh yes, I am back and I am so happy to be back before the elections. I am happy, I am so happy, and MK Party is doing so well. I'm extremely happy. So let's get into it. As you can see, this is how the ballot paper will look like on the 29th of May 2024. As you can see, the ANC is in the same row as the MK Party. And oh yes, President Zuma is on the ballot paper. MK Party will launch the People's Mandate at Orlando Stadium this coming Saturday, the 18th of May 2024. Members of umkhontowesizwe Party did an inspection of the stadium ahead of the People's Mandate. Guys, how do you feel about the NHI? Because rumor has it that VAT is gonna go up to 21%. So how do you personally feel about the NHI? Because ANC has never done anything that would benefit us as the citizens of this country, only for their pockets. So how do you personally feel about the NHI? Please do share your thoughts down below. I will share my thoughts on the upcoming video that I will upload. I think I'll upload it tomorrow. That's where I'll share all my personal thoughts about the NHI. Police in KZN killed 6 suspects. The shootout took place in the Capital area, and another shootout took place in Cloudwater between the NIU and the suspects. Suspects have been allegedly terrorizing the community. They are linked to extortion of small business owners and cash in transit highs.
Are renting rooms here because of the construction is happening on the national road here on N3. So it's a common thing that everyone else that is renting here is because they are contractors that are working here. But what they don't know is that they've been sleeping with snakes in the very same neighborhood. And these people are hardened criminals. It's high scale. It's people who do not negotiate. People who don't blink an eye. If they want to shoot, they shoot. They don't care whether a police officer or not. They kill. So we were just talking and getting worried and asking ourselves whether even the females that are staying in some of these rooms next to them, they were not even aware that they were sleeping next to these type of people. And that's how dangerous the situation sometimes become. So the owner of the place, he said he knows them. They're renting here, and they always have different people that come in and out from time to time. But they didn't know what they were doing. They come in and they leave. And they come in and they leave. They never really got to know what is it that these guys are doing. But, well, they only didn't mind because he was collecting rental money. So, and that's a common thing that's happening around. So we know they're not even from here, for that matter. Mostly are from Mpangeni side, but they're involved in heist in that district around the Mpangeni area, as well as Herikwala area. They're moving in between the two. So they're using this area as a hideout.
About police in KZN, guys, in Zofa, you will die. Honestly, you will die. KZN, you will die.